John Contini is a man who was a prosecutor. And well, let's talk directly with him. John.
Hi, Joe. How
Thanks
are you?
for joining me
Thank
here
you.
on Praise the Lord.
Thank you, thank you. This is a blessing. Thank you, thank you.
I was captivated by your story, and I wish you would tell our viewers a little bit about your background. You come from, you're both Irish and Italian, right?
Yes, I am.
That's an interesting mix.
I am.
Which do you consider yourself to be more of?
Both, so as not to upset my parents who are listening, I'm sure, watching.
I think this has the makings of a movie. And I pray that God will bring resources and people to you.
Bill Fernandez, the former Metro-Dade cop who's currently behind bars charged in a triple murder, tomorrow will ask a judge to release him on bond. Fernandez is also a suspect in 8 more homicides. But according to his attorney, he's no threat to society and should be given bond. Prosecutors say he's a hired killer and former drug dealer who murdered potential witnesses.
Well, just imagine being asked to defend a man who was classified as one of the most dangerous individuals in the country and who allegedly committed 3 heinous murders.
Prosecution has no physical evidence whatsoever, no forensic evidence, which is scientific evidence, no ballistics, no fingerprints, no hair, no blood, no saliva. He's not on death row because we won that part of the trial. He's one of these guys you're not going to mess with either. Former Mr. Florida bodybuilding champion.
Just keeps you riveted till the very end. But you talked about the courtroom drama.
Because in this courtroom, the prosecutors did everything in their power, fair and unfair, to win at all costs. It really does indict the system, too. Prosecutors, and I used to be a prosecutor years before this, we're supposed to seek justice, not convictions. It's very, very clear in the Code of Professional Responsibility. But in real life, that's a bunch of hooey. Prosecutors want to win at all costs. No eyewitness testimony, except maybe they have a confidential informant whose name is all over the papers. He's not confidential anymore. He's an extortionist. Lawyers, this book exposes the Machiavellian machinations that we play as lawyers, sidebar, all the stuff that really goes on. They don't talk about on Nancy Grace or Greta Van Susteren in these shows. They don't tell you the real deal. What we lawyers do, the games we play, to win at all costs. Although 7 state and federal appeals have been exhausted and have been denied. And it appears from all circumstances, worldly circumstances, that he will be in there for life.